Welcome to PubCircle, a transparent, honest, and effective header bidding platform. Today, I'm going to show you how to start working with PubCircle. The first thing you should do in order to get started is to enter our website, PubCircle AI. Here, you will need to click on the button Contact Us. Or you can scroll down a little bit to learn more information about the platform and then click on the button Join. It will bring you to the form that you need to fill out and submit. Here we only need some basic details, such as your name, company name, email address, managed websites, and any additional information in the message field that you would like to add. Then click Submit. Once done, we will receive an email from you with all of the information and will respond to you shortly, providing you with credentials to your account on PubCircle. This email will also contain a link to sign in to your account. So the next step is to follow that link and it will bring you to this form. Here you will need to provide your credentials. Enter your email address and the password and click Continue. Once you are logged in, you will see a PubCircle menu that consists of the dashboard, websites and ad units, reports, billing, and wiki. The first page that you see is the dashboard. The dashboard provides a detailed overview of ad performance with filtering, graphical representations, and export functionalities. At the top of the page, you can see the date picker, where you can choose the date you are interested in. Below the date picker, you will see the key advertising metrics, such as requests, impressions, fill rate, CPM, and profit. Usually under this metrics, you are able to see the graphs and charts. But since this profile is a test profile and it is empty, we do not have any available information for now. You can also apply a different filters on the graphs and charts that will be visible for you on this page, such as different dates, ad units, and countries. Let's move on to the websites and ad units. The websites and ad units page allows users to manage their website and ad units efficiently. Here you can add new websites, change the ad placements, and generate ad tags necessary for the integration. Let me show you how it is done. Firstly, you need to click on Add Website. Then you need to provide us with your domain and choose the category for this domain, for example, business and careers, and then click Create. I have already created one website as an example. In order to add your ad unit, you will need to click on Add Ad Unit button. Here, the first step is to select the website among the websites that you have already added to your profile. Then you will need to choose the place for your ad unit, for example, the sidebar. Once it is chosen, we are moving on to the size. From the drop-down menu, you can choose the size for your ad unit, for example, this one. In case you want to create a multi-size ad unit, you just click on this button and then choose the max sizes for your ad unit. Let's continue with a specific size. Then you need to choose the format, for example, banner, and you can also allow other formats such as native or video, and choose the floor price. Here you can also see some additional ad unit settings. The first one is fixed position. The fixed position keeps the ad in a fixed position on the page while scrolling. The callback enables a JavaScript callback function to trigger events when the ad loads or interacts. And mobile adaptation. Mobile adaptation adjusts the ad unit's display for mobile devices to ensure better visibility and responsiveness. Once everything is filled and chosen, click Create. Success! Ad unit has been created. Now you can add the tag to your website. In order to find the tag for this ad unit, you can click on Show Code, and here you can see it. You can just copy your tag from here, or to make it simpler, you can just click on this button and copy and add the tag to your website code. Additionally, pay attention to the ads.txt lines. Make sure to also copy them and add to your ads.txt file. When you click on the button and see that all of the lines are in red color, it means that you have not added them yet. Once you will complete this step, they will be in green color. So just click on copy and close and add them to your ads.txt file. Let's move on to the reports. The reports page provides detailed insights into your ad performance, allowing you to analyze key metrics metrics and trends over a selected period. Here, you can also see a date picker, so you can choose the date that you are interested in. And next to the date picker, you can also see additional two filters where you can choose the graphs that will be shown by hour or by day. Below these two filters and your graph, you will see some of the basic metrics over the selected period, such as requests, impressions, and CPM. Below the graphs, a data table presents detailed statistics which can be customized by using the following filters. Dimensions, where you can choose a date, country, domain, ad unit, ad format, or size. Different metrics such as responses, fill rate, profit, or bid rate. Ad formats, your domains, and different countries. In case you would like to refresh this page, you just need to click on this button. If you would like to download the information from the table, just click on the Export to CSV button. Now let's move on to the billing page. The billing page allows users to manage their earnings, set up payments methods, track payouts, and view their transaction history. The first step for you would be to set up your payment system. In order to do that, you will need to select a preferred payment method. All you need to do is to click on this button and choose the payment method that you like. For example, Pioneer, where you only need to provide your email address, the same flow you will have with any of the crypto payments. If you choose the wire transfer, you will need to provide some more information on this method. Then click Save. My Balance will display the total earnings accumulated. The History section contains two tables for tracking transactions and earnings. You can filter them by status, for example, pending, approved, rejected, or paid, or by type. You can also pick the date. Make sure to add the payment method at the beginning of your journey with PubCircle. On the first day of each month, the system will calculate your total earnings for the previous months and add them to your balance. After the earnings are credited, the system checks if the user balance meets the minimum payout threshold. If the balance meets or exceeds the threshold, the system automatically creates a payout request for the finance team. And the last step for us is Wiki. The Wiki is a knowledge base that provides users with a structured repository of helpful articles categorized by topics. At the moment, it is empty because it is undergoing some of the technical changes, but usually you can find here a lot of helpful information. Now let's check the account settings. When you click on the account settings, you will be able to change some of the general information about you, such as your name or your email address. All you need to do is just change them and click Update Profile. Additionally, you are able to change your password. All you have to do is provide your current password, then add a new password and click on Update Password. You can also enable your two-factor authentication. All you have to do is to click Turn On and follow the instructions. It was a quick overview of our platform. In case you have any additional questions or require any additional information or have suggestion, feel free to contact us and we will be happy to help you.